How to fix second monitor not detected on Windows 10. Windows 10 second monitor detect settings image credit, Windows Central. On Windows 10, connecting a second monitor helps you expand the desktop canvas to work with multiple apps and play games on your laptop or desktop computer. Although setting up an external display is usually a straightforward process, sometimes, Windows 10 may not detect older displays or second monitors due to drivers or hardware-related issues. How to fix external monitor connection issues via hardware troubleshooting. When your computer does not detect the second external display, it could be a problem with the software, but it might also be an issue with the physical connection or the monitor itself. If the monitor does not show up in the settings, use these steps before messing around with the configuration settings on Windows 10. Confirm the monitor is connected to a power source. Confirm the monitor is turned on. Turn the computer off and on to refresh the connection. Use the monitor's built-in controls and select the correct input port. Check the signal cable connection between the monitor and the graphics card. Disconnect the signal cable from both ends, wait 60 seconds, and firmly reconnect it. Change the signal cable to confirm you are not dealing with a bad cable. DisplayPort and HDMI come in different versions, so check the manufacturer for requirement details to ensure you have the correct cable. Change ports if the monitor and graphics card feature multiple ports. Connect the monitor to another computer to see whether the problem is with the external display. Connect another known working monitor to determine that the issue is not the graphics card. Disconnect all peripherals, such as printers, cameras, and USB devices, to confirm none of the other devices are conflicting with the display. If you have a Surface Pro 8 connected to a dock station, disconnect it and try to connect the monitor directly to the computer to confirm the problem is not the dock. Update the external monitor firmware to help fix bugs and compatibility issues. Uncommon. The HP Z27 is a 27-inch monitor excellent for creators and general-purpose tasks because of its slim design, fantastic picture quality, and USB-C connectivity alongside the usual DisplayPort and HDMI. How to fix external monitor connection issues via settings. Force second display detection. Once you complete the steps, Windows 10 should detect the external monitor connected to the computer. Connect wireless external display. How to fix external monitor connection issues via latest graphics drivers. Update graphics driver. To update the graphics card driver through Windows Update, use these steps. Reinstall graphics driver. Rollback graphics driver. If the computer was recently updated or the graphics driver was recently upgraded manually, and Windows 10 cannot detect the second monitor, rolling back to the previous version of the driver may resolve the issue. Update graphics driver with manufacturer control panel. Windows 10 can automatically set up drivers for most graphics adapters, but the drivers available through Windows Update are not typically the more recent. Check manufacturer and driver version. If you must replace your graphics card, the RTX 3080 is a great option. Finally, consider that manufacturers, for example, Dell, HP, Razer, Acer, and Microsoft, usually change the original drivers to optimize their computers. As a result, if you have a branded computer, also known as an original equipment manufacturer (OEM) computer, you should always think about using the graphics driver available through the device manufacturer before trying those available through the graphics card manufacturer to avoid problems.